Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will be showing you why I wasn't uploading any videos for about 2 months. So I will be showing you exactly what happened. So let's start from the beginning. So it all began on 17th of April. I made a video about Instagram followers. It was about like Instagram followers and likes. No, I think it was no F1. So I just published that video. I scheduled it, but then after like few minutes I saw it got a yellow dollar. Then I was like kind of worried. If you don't know what's a yellow dollar on YouTube monetization, yellow dollars means like if your video get a yellow dollar, you cannot make any money, any revenue from your video. It means that it's not like suitable for most advertisers. So that video got yellow dollar and I was like kind of worried. Then I thought that it's okay, happened to me before like with a few videos, and somehow it got fixed automatically. So I waited like for a few days and it was still yellow dollar, and after a week I saw that yellow dollar thing was on most of my videos. Like all the videos are made. I was like kind of depressed, like because like I put so much hard work in those videos, but now I cannot make any money from those videos. I can, and all of the time I spend it on those videos. So then I thought like I will just I was depressed. Then I wasn't uploading like for a month, and then I thought like I can't stop. It's my passion. It's my passion to be a YouTuber. I said it to myself like it's okay, I will make another channel and like try my best to like upload quality content on that channel. But like in the next day I went to my studio, you know, the place where I used to shoot before. I went there. I don't know if you saw like on the wall, like there are like frames. In one of the frame is like, if you know what's a Google pin thing, the image will come on the screen. This is what a Google pin thing look like. So you get this like when your channel is monetized and it's in good condition, and you are like, if you are about to make money from it, like the ads are on your video, so Google send you like that particular pin. I saw that, then I was like, nah, I can't stop. If I went like, if I even, it's some people don't even get a pin. I got that, so I cannot stop. Like I should keep making videos. I just can't stop because of one thing. So then I thought that I'll make another video. So this is the video what I'm talking about, to explaining everything what happened, why I wasn't uploading. So that was the reason I wasn't uploading. So now for the future on this channel I will be uploading content like not you won't see any content about Instagram followers. You will see content about social media like tips, trick, but I'm sorry, I can't upload about Instagram followers and likes, and I already told you the reason behind it. So that's what's going to happen. So I think that's pretty much it from me. Like that's pretty much it for this video, and hopefully I will see you really soon with something new, something better, with a good quality content, with something good. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.